Hello Rangers, this is my 1993 Ford Ranger. It is the STX package with the 4.0 6-cylinder and the 5-speed manual. And I recently did a cat delete and regretted it because it was too damn loud. So I had to go to Muffler Masters in Pensacola, Florida, and they did a wonderful job installing a new catalytic converter, as well as they threw in a what's it called, a pipe, and it is running to roughly the half of the first part of the bed, so it's not exhausting directly underneath the cabin, creating extra heat. And knowing Florida, we don't need any of that, so here it is. Haha. Yes sirree. Wow. Haha. Isn't that awesome? I think it is.